Howdy! Let's go ahead and build a T-TRAK module. I got this particular kit from Masterpiece Modules, but this video is not sponsored by them. They're just really good modules. Each kit includes a piece of sandpaper in the form of a triangle. I find this really helpful on the edges because this is a CNC'd product, so there's always going to be a little bit of debris. So we just try to go in and get it as cleaned up as much as possible. On the back plate, there's these terminal holes, and I find the tip of the sandpaper to be really helpful. And we just repeat the process on all the parts. Afterwards, I'm using a microfiber towel. This really helps just get all the debris out of those pockets. Now it's time for the feet. We run a bead of glue on the edges that will make contact with one another in the pockets. Gently brush the glue into the seams. Just adding a bit more glue. Now it's time to assemble the panel. This part was a little tricky. You have to apply quite a bit of force. I would recommend using a rubber mallet if you have one. Now we wipe away the excess glue. I'm going a bit above and beyond here by brushing the seam of glue just to make everything even as possible. The corner piece is a bit tricky. You have to get the glue in just the right places. Cleanup with a damp rag is really helpful for this process. So far, it's looking great. Finally, we mount the feet. And that's it. In the next episode, we'll be priming, prepping, and painting our module. Thanks for watching.